If you need to recover your Paramount Plus account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Paramount Plus login page. Go to the official Paramount Plus website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says forgot password or need help. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Paramount Plus account. This is crucial as it will be used to send you recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Paramount Plus with instructions on how to reset your password. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 4. Follow the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the login page and enter your email and new password to access your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Paramount Plus customer support for further assistance.